Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3-Set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your OUKITEL WP300. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using these side buttons. So we have these side buttons right here, so we got it, the volume up, the volume down. We can press it while being in a call, and this increases our volume. Now, what you guys want to do next is go over and change call volume in the settings. So that's why I'm in the settings right now. Let's go over to sound and vibration, and here we have the call volume. So for me, it's already maxed out, so I don't really need to touch it. And after that, what you guys want to do is go over to connected devices and connection preferences. And here, go to Bluetooth. Make sure that you disable Bluetooth for now, because this will rule out any connected devices and will prevent audio from being rerouted from the phone to something else like speakers, headphones, and etc. Now, what you guys want to do next is you have this little silver earpiece right here. And with the silver earpiece, what you guys can do is simply clean it with a soft brush. So if you got a brush on you, then you can try and clean it, because dust inside of it can basically block the entire, not the entire connection, but the entire sound. So if it's dusty, it has the dust or debris in it, then that might be the reason of you not having your sound during a call. Now, what you guys want to do next is, after cleaning the earpiece, you guys want to test it with another call or an app. So if you use the normal phone app to call up somebody, you can try and use a different app that supports the call system like WhatsApp. And if that did not help, press and hold the power button and restart your phone. So this way we will refresh the entire system. Let's click restart and click OK. And now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now, after the restart, as you guys can see, all we have to do is enter the password if you have one. And last, what you guys can do is go over into the settings, and here in the settings we want to scroll down, and here we're going to go to system. And in the system, we want to go to system updates. Now, as you guys can see, we can tap resume here, and now it's installing the system update. If you have an update, then you will see also a button to download and install the newest version. It's very important to keep up with the latest version. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.